Right folks, how we doing? The Zx9r here. I was out riding Wednesday. As you can see, no indicators. So, first job, is it a fuse? So if you have got a Zx994, first job, put your key in, back seat off. These 2 bolts out of there, seat comes off. There's your fuse box. And as you can see, you have a lid which comes off like so. Make sure it's in the right, so you know where things go. In this case it was like that, so as you undo it, you can see where your fuses are, and as you can see, that's for your turn signal, which is this one here. And as I've taken it out, as you can see, the fuse is blown. So luckily there's a spare in the box, always worth carrying a few spares. Nice new one, and it goes like so. Turn your key, and the indicators are working again. So there we go, easy fix. There you go. If you have any issues with a Zx994, no indicators or signals working, check your fuse. Hope that helps someone. See you next time.